in my tail. You're trampling on my back. Well, I let you feel that it's resting on my mind. Now when I crept up to the window, and I thought I heard the moan, and then I heard a voice say, you're chewing on my bone, and said you're chewing my tail. You're trampling on my mind. Well, I got that vicious feel that it's resting on my mind. Potatoes are red. I thought you were my friend. Put your body in my tail. I said you're beating my tail. You're training on my mind. Well, I got that vicious feeling was resting on my mind. Now I love you in winter, and I love you in fall. Well, in between blankets, so I love you best of all. I said you're beating my tail. You're trampling on my mind. Oh, I love you, listen to my sex. I get you feel that it's resting on my mind. Here you go, somewhere in the people in the soul. Learn nothing out there on the beach. She won't follow home. You're beating my tail. You're trampling on my mind. I got that vicious feeling it's resting on my mind. But now I got to do the done. All I heard was and then I heard boys say, hey, you dirty swine. You're beating my tail. You're trampling on my mind. I think I told you long ago I got that feeling it's resting on my mind. One more time, you're beating my tail. You're trampling on my mind. I got that feeling it's resting on my mind. Take that home.
What were the other ones doing to burst these balloons? We still haven't got one on the totalizer.
Plenty of time to do it.
If it was Fred Snow, he was definitely cheating.
Yeah, he was doing it himself, I saw it. It was the sheer power of his swearing behind it.
Well, I mean, none of that here, no. This next song is something in the key of rock!
No idea what that means, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, Streamline Train! Train, fastest train that runs, hard-working train, ain't gonna hurt me now. I know the evening morning, maybe on that streamline train. Well, one thing I say, Mama, get your mind out of there. Went to B-Town Station, I just might try. Asked my poor Mama, won't you take my ride? I'm gonna leave in the morning, maybe I'll wait till my train. Well, honey, I think I'm out. Don't you mind?
We got CDs on sale for £5 in case you want to play the CD, look at us on YouTube live outside the building. And there's no chance of being frightened by an exploding balloon. Mind? There's a chance in here, right? Well, the song about how our chess player needs to employ a police guard to keep the women from molesting him.
Yeah. This is how the whole Operation Prison thing started. It's his fault. Well, it's working like a charm, ladies and gentlemen. No woman has come near me.
For 27 years.
Including such a woman. Explains my children's blood.
It's a song that Imelda May stole from us. Well, actually, she didn't steal it from us. She stole it from the same place as us, slightly after. But that counts in our book.
It's called Wild About My Love.
fun. Hey, if you want to be a good man, that will put you in. Let's have a little man there. No, sir. Good man, you're bringing with you when you come. Say if you want to be a good man, you're bringing with you when you come.
Just let me change thimbles, ladies and gentlemen. It's very rare that I ever have an instrument change mid-set.
It's a very simple operation, though, so don't worry about it.
Have we mentioned our CDs?
Well, not enough, obviously. Everybody's been up and down the festivals for one year.
See a boy sat in the middle there with headphones on. That's my son. He's just listening to us on his headphones.
Yeah.
He can't stand it live. He couldn't wait. He listened to all 13 tracks while we played them.
I can understand that.
Full doubly stereo.
It's been, the one that he's listening to, though, has been remixed by Skrillex, I think.
See, it's the dubstep remix.
What are you lot talking about? I leave the stage for a second and start talking rubbish.
Carry on when we're on stage.
Get with it, I don't know.
Yes, this is one thing all to join in on, because frankly our voices are running out in a long hot summer. It's about a man who lives in the Wild West making shoes. Some people said it's a load of cobblers, we can possibly comment. And what we wanted to do is join in on the choruses, and then later on in the song you get a solo all of your own. All you have to sing is long, 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 long.
Very simple. Very,
You
very
know?
simple.
We'll start the song, we'll see if any of you are doing it.
And the big prize is done.
I'm sure
Might be
Chris,
a prize for it, actually.
yeah, I'm sure Chris's son is so rapt he enjoys it, so we'll lead the singing.
Some sticker behind him and tap him on the shoulder.
Just take them off it while you're Are we ready?
The Ballad of Lost John.
1, 2,
John, see the battle railroad train, waiting for the big train to come back. The big train come up on our windows fly.
the last John thought he'd been right to top. I said, no, 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 no.
All I knew he was to a country one's house. Check the square, just as far as a mouse. We sit down. song. You
can tell them they'll be here and gone. I said, long,
slow song.
And the morning, long.
Have a rest. I want to hear all of you singing. Can you hear anything?
Just about that it's really loud. I don't know, there's somebody coughing at the back there, but that was...
I'm just about to sound.
There's a slight whir from the air conditioning.
That's another wild electricity. If you were a bit reserved on that one, I'm just getting into it. I'd like to do some more singing. Long, 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 long. At home, you can always buy one of our CDs and practice along for the next time you come down here.
No, we do have the edge of it, obviously.
Oh, what's next?
It's the old mule skin of blues.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's this song about, Chris?
Skinning mules.
Then that means taking the skins off mules to make into those lovely mule skin notebooks you can buy, probably in this shop here.
Donkey jackets, that's what we make. I believe a mule skinner is just a man who tames mules.
Just tames them.
I don't know why. I have no idea why. I didn't write it, so I point that out. We don't write this rubbish. We just...
Well, if there are any good jokes or good songs that you liked, we did write those ones.
Yeah. So, you don't like that. It's just a sort of a rockabilly stomping bit of nonsense. And he goes, what?
That was the single balloon yet. The Limp is displayed this week.
you keep up your skirt? How long do you ever? Said do you keep up your skirt? How long do you ever?
I'd like to thank those girls who kept a good clapping beat going through that song. They noticed our lack of a drummer. They obviously took pity on us.
Not a forward brother.
I've never met a drummer with his own car. That's right.
Ridiculous, isn't it?
What is next? I think Hammer. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. This is a song I wrote when I was working on the old prison chain gang in Louisiana in 1902.
All authentic stuff. It's all real stuff. He's still wearing the same shirt. It's a prison work song.
It's a prison work song.
It's three things we know nothing about.
Prison, work, songs. Yeah. It appears on our CD. This hand and take it to captain. Take this hammer and take it to the captain. Take this hammer, take it to the captain. Tell him I'm gone. Tell him I'm gone. And if he asks you, was I laughing? If he asks you, was I laughing? And if he asks you, was I laughing? Tell him I was crying. Tell him I was crying. And if he asks you, was I running? And if he asks you, was I running? Said if he asks you, was I running? Tell him I was flying. You can tell him I was flying. I don't want you. I don't want you. Come bread and molasses. Say I don't want you. You come bread and molasses. It hurts my pride. You know it hurts my pride. I don't want you. Go down, shake, go. Till I don't want you. You go down, shake, go. Say I don't want you. You go down, shake, go. Around my leg. It feels like gold. Well, it feels like gold. I just can't more. And take it to the kitchen. Take this hammer and take it to the kitchen.
I thought a balloon would have at least exploded in syncope during that song.
Some of them were wilting.
High-tech set. What is it? This next song is also about sex, ladies and gentlemen, being about cake.
Sweets.
This song was turned down.
In all the rush to eat ice cream, I forgot to tune the kazoo up before the show, so it's easy.
By the organisers of the Great British Bake Off as the theme tune.
It's a musician's joke, then. Told to us by some musicians.
It's a bit like Singapore, isn't it? In terms of the reception to the joke.
We thought it was because they couldn't understand it. It's in the contract. Rubbish. It's in the contract, but they don't laugh until we play Ken Dodd for the use of his gags. It's, you know,
the other one is
forget about the set list, ladies and gentlemen. Normally we do Jesse James when it involves guns and all sorts of things, which we forgot to bring. Just work without the gun, doesn't it? It's not the set without the guns. So we're going to do an old Millennium song by way of change. This is called Putting on the Stand. They're all old Millennium songs.
Millennium somewhere else too.
He stole it all. It's called Putting on the Stand. Sweet 16 goes to church just to see the boy. And laughs and smiles and giggles at every little noise. She turns her face
He's putting on the yeah, he's putting on the style. That's what all the young folks are doing all the while. And as I look around me, why sometimes I do smile. Seeing all the young folks, cause I'm looking at it.
It's a shame because it's my favourite part of the show now, ladies and gentlemen. Where our buffoon on the ukulele over here, Andy, is going to squawk like a chicken throughout this next number for your amusement, but mainly mine.
It's going to squawk high enough to burst every balloon on that wall.
Yes. I mean, may or may not be a prize for the best chicken dancer amongst the audience.
Let's face facts. If their dancing is as good as it's been throughout the 19th there will be a prize.
It's too sticky.
Well, no, as you said, I had a very rough night last night. I was suffering this morning, this evening, from a touch of wine flu. Which means my chicken impression is not what it should be.
Never was it.
Luckily, I've been to the chemist on the road and I've got some of this entertaining secret throat warning. The spray at the back of the throat warning, do not swallow, may contain gin. What your chicken impression ought to be is banned.
Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it, Andy.
Tears to your eyes. That's some real fun buffeting thing on that, I'll tell you what. Right, ready? That's not the best one. It becomes the woman for I said, look at me, what's going to make looking at my that's a little bird. It's a good shot dancing. Let's one more time!
I was watching those three men dancing in the back there, and I think the one with the dark t-shirt kept it going longest. So he can have a CD. A CD?
When they come forward,
He comes to the front, we can't show it to him.
with their health and safety, we can't just hurl
It's
them
also
into the audience.
part of showing the audience our CD, because it's the CD.
Subliminal advertising, isn't it?
Yes.
Glad to say.
They're only £5, but 3 to that gentleman who danced so well. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, on the subject of our CD, is there anyone at all who'd like to buy one for £5? I promise. Oh, sir, come forward. We promised that we're going to dedicate this next song to this person.
Falling into your trap, Jack.
Oh, thank you very much. What's your name, sir? Joey! Ladies and gentlemen, please give Joey a huge round of applause for buying our CD. This next song is dedicated to Joey. It's called Yonder Comes a Sucker, and it goes like this.
Yonder comes a sucker and he stole my hand. Now she's gone, gone, gone. She's gone, gone, gone. And I delivered my last will. I came along, went with the golden nails. She was sweet, and sweet to me. Till I'm gone, watch the TV, watch the TV. Railroad steamboat, yonder comes a sucker and he stole my hand. Now she's gone, gone, gone. She's gone, gone, gone. And I delivered my last will. I got some more, somewhere to go. She was the boy, he's the boy. Oh, he went there, oh, I'm too happy with boy. Who lives on the last a railroad steamboat, and they come to sucker and he stole my hand. Now she's gone, gone, gone. She's gone, gone, gone. And I delivered my last will.
Here's the guitar now, take it back. Soon after this gig, ladies and gentlemen, the band departs for Switzerland. All apart from me.
Yeah, we leave
Only
it
for a week, though.
We may not come back. The lure of Toblerone. Cuckoo clocks is too strong for us.
I don't like what they've done to Toblerones these days. White Toblerone is not natural.
I don't care what happens to them. Millennium growing, ladies and gentlemen, it's very sad.
This is our big finale number, in which we all play solos on our chosen instruments.
I choose the guitar.
I choose the teacher, so that's the only
Oh, what's more for me?
Yeah,
I'm going to do the squeaky shark.
what?
Squeaky shark.
Squeaky shark.
And possibly a little bit of Descant, the squeaky monkey as well.
Ooh. We'll look forward to that.
I may play the little bit as well.
Is that shark in tuna?
Oh.
Skate song, song's about to start.
Do you want it nice or do you want it fast? We can't do both.
Can we do it nice? No. Then we'll do
Not
it.
at all.
Fast it is. Not strong from that. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4!
He said, take it away, I mean. No, I can still hear you.
Still see you.
Oh, doesn't give it. Stop it. Put a lot of effort into it, ladies and gentlemen. But in reality, a trained gibbon could do what he's doing right now. Oh, we've got to make this the last song. It's well past the gibbon's bedtime. Squeaky shark! Oh, yeah, squeaky shark.
What a load of song.
All the balloons are made out of solid steel, ladies and